Hey there, coming back to give you a rundown on the 17-foot off-road, off-grid, and if you need it, bug-out Boler hot water solar shower system. Everything's contained in the boxes on the back. There's three main pieces: the water storage tank, the skidoo heat exchangers from liquid cooled skidoo, and inside the tank there's a teeny weeny little circulating pump which puts the water through these lines when you turn the pump on. Right now our tank temperature is, where's my thermometer? Looking about 17 degrees maybe, Celsius. Okay, the tank is circulating now. So we'll close the lid on her. Let the sun beat down on the heat exchangers as the water's pumped through them, and we'll come back in a few hours and see what kind of temperature difference we got. Then we'll hook up the outdoor shower system. Got a separate pump in there for the shower, and there's still the original pump on the tank connected to about a 20-foot hose, so we can do whatever with it. Yeah, so we'll come back and see what our temperature is in a few hours. Till then, enjoy the day.